Hey there! In this video I'm going to review how to use the Trends tool within a segmentation query. And Trends allows us to compare your query results with the results from the immediately preceding date range, or to compare each interval within your results to the immediately preceding interval. So to begin, I'd first like to describe what we're looking at, and that is a very basic segmentation query that tracks the number of subscriptions that this website was able to sell over the last 90 days, broken down on a weekly basis. Okay, so now in this example, let's assume that I'm a sales manager and I want to compare this quarter's sales results relative to the last quarter's sales results. What I can do is head up here to the top right where it says Trends and turn them on. And if I just hit play, it will default to comparing this period's results to the previous period's results. So in this case, again, we're looking at 90 days of data on a weekly basis. So this will essentially show me this quarter versus the previous quarter's results. So the green line is still going to show me the number of subscriptions that we got week over week this previous quarter, whereas the black and white line is going to show me the correlating week's results of the previous quarter. In the top right, I can see how we're doing overall quarter by quarter. And if I don't want to see it just as a raw count, I can actually turn this on as a percentage. And then again, if I don't want to compare quarter over quarter or time period over time period, I can look at just interval over interval. So now if I hover my cursor over each interval, I'll see essentially how we're doing week over week throughout this period.